Hey, welcome back to SkyTech. I am so glad you are here because today we are building something you can actually use tonight to study for whatever is stressing you out. We are making a flashcards app. You know the kind. A little card with a question on the front, you flip it over, and the answer is on the back. We are going to make one that lives on your phone or your laptop, where you can add your own cards, flip them, shuffle the whole stack, and mark the ones you got right. And here is the fun part. You are not going to write a single line of code. Not one. You are going to describe it in plain English, like you are texting a friend who happens to be a really fast builder. If you are a student, this is going to be your new best friend before exams. And if you are not a student, stick around anyway, because the thing you learned today is the same thing behind half the apps on your phone. This is going to be fun, and it is going to be fast, so let us dive right in. Now, if you have been following along in this season, you already know the big secret. We do not type code. We describe what we want, and a tool builds it for us. The tools we use are called Lovable, Bolt, and Replit. Pick any one of them. It truly does not matter which. They all work the same friendly way. You open it in your web browser, you see a chat box, and you talk to it. That is it. If you have ever sent a text message, you already have every skill you need for today. So take a breath, relax your shoulders, and let us go make something you are actually proud of. So let me ask you something before we start. Have you ever paid for a flashcard app? A lot of students do. There are these study apps that charge you $5, $10, sometimes $15 a month just to flip digital cards and shuffle a deck. And here's my slightly spicy take, and you are totally allowed to disagree with me in the comments. I think students are paying subscriptions for a tool they could build themselves in about an hour. Not only that, I think building your own study tool actually helps you learn the material better, because typing your questions in forces you to think about them. Maybe I am wrong. Maybe the fancy paid ones save you real time. Tell me where you land on that. I genuinely want to hear it. I am not here to trash the paid apps. Some of them are really polished. I just think there's something special about a study tool you shape with your own two hands. One that fits the exact way your brain works. Okay, let us talk about what a flashcard app really is in the simplest way possible. Picture a stack of index cards on your desk. Real paper cards. On the front of each one, you write a question, like a vocabulary word or a date or a formula. On the back, you write the answer. To study, you look at the front, you guess, and then you physically turn the card over to check. That flipping motion, that turning the card over in your hand, is the whole heart of this app. Everything else is just a fancier version of that little stack of paper. The shuffle button? That is you dropping the stack on the floor and picking it back up in a random order so you cannot just memorize the sequence. The mark as right button? That is you setting the ones you know into a little done pile. See, you already understand this app completely. You have been using the paper version your whole life. Keep that picture in your head because we are going to teach the computer to do exactly that. Now, there is one new idea today that I really want you to understand, because it makes everything click. That idea is called state. It sounds technical, but it is the simplest thing in the world. State is just the app remembering something. Specifically, the app needs to remember which card you are holding right now and whether that card is showing its front or its back. Think about it like holding a single card in your hand. Out of the whole stack, your hand is on card number 4, and right now it is face up showing the question. The app needs its own little hand that keeps track of that. Which card and which side. That memory, that little bit of remembering, is what we call state. See? Not scary at all. Alright, this is the moment where we actually build the thing, and I promise it goes faster than you think. Open up Lovable, or Bolt, or Replit, find that chat box, and here is exactly what you type. Word for word, you can copy this. Say to it, quote, "Build me a flashcard study app. I want to add cards where I type a question on the front and an answer on the back. Show me one card at a time. When I click the card, it flips over to show the answer. Give me a next button to go to the next card, a shuffle button to mix up the order, and a button to mark a card as one I got right." End quote. That is your whole starting prompt. Hit send and watch it start building right in front of you. While it works, let me teach you the most important habit in all of no-code building. I call it the describe, look, and fix one thing loop. It goes like this. You describe what you want, then you look at what the tool actually made, and you click around and try it like a real user would. Then, and this is the golden rule, you fix only one thing at a time. Just one. Do not pile 5 complaints into a single message, because then you will not know which fix caused which change. It is exactly like seasoning soup. You add a little salt, you taste, you decide. You do not dump in salt and pepper and garlic all at once and hope. One taste, one tweak, over and over. That patience is the whole skill. And honestly, it is the only thing that separates people who get frustrated and quit from people who end up with an app they love. So say it with me. Describe, look, fix one thing. That is the rhythm we are going to dance to for the rest of this build. Quick question for you while your app is building, and drop your answer in the comments in just 1 or 2 words. What subject are you making cards for? Spanish? Biology? A history exam? Some coding terms? Type it below. 1 word is perfect, because I would love to see the range of stuff you all are studying. And honestly, seeing other people building the same thing for a totally different class always makes this feel less lonely. We are all in the same little study group here, and I read those comments, so do not be shy. Okay, your app should be on your screen now. You will probably see a card, maybe with some example text the tool made up to show you how it looks. Click on it. Did it flip over? If yes, that little rush of joy you just felt, that is the whole reason we do this. Try the next button. Try shuffle. Add one of your own real cards using the input boxes, a real question, and a real answer from whatever you are studying. Play with it like a curious kid, because clicking around is how you find out what still needs fixing. You are not going to break anything. You literally cannot. If something goes weird, you just tell it to change back. This is your sandbox. There is no teacher grading you and no way to mess it up permanently. So poke at every button and see what it does. The more you click around now, the faster you will spot the one little thing that needs a tweak. Now let me warn you about the one thing that almost always breaks on the first try, so you are not caught off guard. Very often, when you click one card to flip it, every single card on the screen flips at the same time. All of them at once. Like the whole stack decided to do a wave. This happens because the app is remembering just one flipped or not flipped setting for the entire deck, instead of one for each card. Remember our state idea? The app needs to remember the side for each individual card, not one setting for all of them. It is like flipping one index card and somehow every card on your desk turns over too. Annoying, but super easy to fix. So here's exactly what you say to fix it. Go back to the chat box and type, quote, "Right now, when I flip one card, all the cards flip at the same time. Please make it so only the card I actually click flips over, and the other cards stay on their front side." End quote. That is it. Send that, wait a few seconds, and click a single card again. Now just that one should turn over while the rest sits still. See how that worked? You described the problem in plain human words, you named exactly what you wanted instead, and the tool did the rest. You did not need to know why it broke, you just needed to describe the fix. Let me tell you how you know when you are actually finished, because beginners always wonder if they are done or not. You are finished when you can do the full study loop without anything feeling broken. Add a card, see it show up in the deck, flip it and only it flips. Click next and get a new one. Hit shuffle and watch the order change. Mark one as got it right and feel that little sense of progress. If you can go through that whole circle smoothly, congratulations. You built a real study tool, not a toy, not a demo, a thing you will genuinely open before your next test. And here is what I love about what you just did. You did not rent this tool, you own it. You can add 100 cards or 1,000. You can make a deck for every class you take, forever. And nobody is charging you a monthly fee for the privilege of flipping cards. More than that, you now understand 2 ideas that show up in almost every app on your phone. Interaction, which is just the app doing something when you tap it, like our card flipping. And state, the app remembering where you are, like which card you are holding. Those 2 ideas are everywhere once you start noticing them, and now they belong to you. Every time you tap a like button and it fills in, that is interaction. Every time an app remembers you are on page 3, that is state. You just built both of those with your own words. That is a real skill, and it is going to carry you through every single build we do from here on out. If this helped even a little, do me one small favor and hit that subscribe button, because that is honestly the thing that tells me to keep making these for you. And I have got a good one coming next. In the very next episode, we are going way beyond flipping cards. We are building a real quiz with multiple choice answers and a score that goes up when you get one right. It is called Make a Quiz App with AI, Beginner Build Along, No Coding. It builds right on top of everything you just learned today, so you are more ready for it than you think. I will see you in that one. So go add a few real cards to the app you just made. Quiz yourself once tonight and notice how good it feels to study on something you built. Keep building, and I am really proud of you.